Elementary learners, I'm Will Katipunan, your science teacher for today. Kids, are you feeling good for today? Okay, that's wonderful. Now, welcome to our science class. Before we start our lesson, let me check if everybody is here. Okay, what a nice day because all of you are present today. The different types of plants that you have seen in your surroundings are sustaining the life of many creatures, like human beings and animals. It becomes the source of food, livelihood, and provide a safe and clean environment. Remember, every plant has parts. That parts of the plants have also functions that people and animals needed for their living and even open use for their medication. Today, we are going to discuss the functions of the different parts of the plants. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to describe the functions of the parts of the plants. Before we proceed to our lesson, remember the house rules. Be attentive and be cooperative to our discussion. Kids, are you ready for today's discussion? Okay, to review, we discussed already the basic parts of the plants. Again, what are the parts of the plants? Yes, the basic parts of the plants are the roots, the stem, the leaves, the fruit, and the flower. Now, let me ask you, do you have a garden at home? What are the plants can be found in your garden? Yes, there are flowers, vegetables, and trees. In your Araling Panlipunan subject, you learned about on how to take good care of our nature. Nature is the only safe home of living and non-living things. So, be responsible to your action to save our home, our planet, our Mother Earth. Today, we are going to discuss the functions of the basic parts of the plants. Are you ready? First, we have roots. The main function of the roots is to absorb the water and minerals needed by the plants. I'll repeat, the main function of the roots is to absorb the water and minerals needed by the plants. Second, we have stem. The stem has three major functions. Number one, the stem supports the plants and hold the leaves. And number two, the stem carries the water and minerals to the other parts of the plants. And number three, the stem carries the food from the leaves to the other parts of the plants. The third part of the plant is the leaves. The function of the leaves is to make food for the plants. I repeat, the function of the leaves make food for the plants. The fourth one is the flower. The main function of the flower develops the fruit of the plant. I repeat, the function of the flower develops the fruit of the plants. The last basic part of the plants is the fruit. Remember, the fruit contains seeds. That seeds can grow a new plant. I'll repeat, the fruit contains seeds. That seeds can grow a new plant. Did you understand? Now, it's your turn to shine because we will be doing a 5-minute differentiated activities. I will group you into two groups. All girls will be group 1 and all boys will be the group 2. Here is now your work. For group 1, you are going to draw your favorite plant and label its parts of the plants. While for group 2, you are going to give the functions of the basic parts of the plants. Now we are done doing our differentiated activities. Grade 3 class, are you still listening? Now, can you still remember if I'm going to ask you these questions? What are the basic parts of the plants? Very good. And what are the functions of the parts of the plants? Bright idea. Congratulations. Yes, the roots absorb water and minerals needed by the plants. While the stem, it supports the plant and holds the leaves. It also carries the water and minerals to the other parts of the plants. And it also carries the food from the leaves to the other parts of the plants. The leaves make food for the plants, while the flower develops the fruit. And the fruit contains seeds. That seeds can grow a new plant. And repeat, the fruit contains seeds. That seeds can grow a new plant. Is it clear? Good. For you to know easily the functions of the parts of the plants, you don't need to memorize all the words used in describing the functions of the parts of the plants. But you have to familiarize the certain keywords used in describing the functions of the parts of the plants. Because in mathematics, you don't need to memorize all the formulas used in computation. But what you should know is to learn the basic concepts and principles in solving the problems. Did you understand? Very good. Now, we have just finished discussing our lesson. To check if you really understand the things that we have discussed today, I want you to get your own pen and paper. I'll repeat, I want you to get your own pen and paper because we will be having a test. Are you ready? Good. So I will be reading the instruction twice. Listen carefully. Choose the word inside the word bank according to each definition below. Then, write your answer on your paper. I'll repeat. Choose the word inside the word bank according to each definition below. Then write your answer on your paper. Ready? Number 1. Blank parts of the plants that contain seeds. Blank parts of the plants that contain seeds. Number 2. Blank develops into fruit. Blanks develops into fruit. Number 3. Blank makes food for the plant. I'll repeat. Blank makes food for the plant. Number 4. Blank supports the plant and holds the leaves. Again, blank supports the plant and holds the leaves. And number 5, blank absorbs water and minerals needed by the plant. I'll repeat, blank absorbs water and minerals needed by the plant. Okay? Let us now check your answer. Kids, are you done? Who among you here got perfect score? Very good. Now, I will be giving you an assignment. You are going to list 5 proper ways of taking care of the plants. I'll repeat, for your assignment, you are going to list 5 proper ways of taking care of the plants. Again, list 5 proper ways of taking care of the plants. Once again, this is Real C. Katipunan, your science teacher for today. I am reminding you to stay safe and healthy and always make your life progressive and productive. So, when you go out, always wear face mask and sanitize your hands. Beware of COVID-19. Stay at home, wear face mask, and always maintain a social distancing when you are in the crowd. To avoid COVID-19, thank you and God bless. See you next time. Bye-bye!